Hey guys, so today we're going to see the XIomi Watch S1. Okay, so we're going to unbox it. Okay, before that, let's look at the box. Okay, you have the XIomi Watch S1 logo here. Okay, now the specs. Okay, so you can see that this watch is the battery is 470 mAh, display AMOLED display, size 1.43, and the resolution is 466 times 466 pixels. Okay guys, so let's unbox it. Okay, can you see they have an opening here. Wow. Okay, now let's unbox the watch, see whether it comes out easily. Okay, it comes out the box. It's not so easy. Okay guys, okay, and there's the XIomi watch. Okay, and I have got it with the brown color rubber. Okay, see, you can just peel this off like that, push it up. No, push it up. It should be. Yep, this is the watch, guys. Okay, so you can see there's two buttons. Okay, remove it. Okay, let's see what else they have inside. Okay, the box is really beautiful, guys. If you haven't seen. Okay, and we have two boxes inside. Okay, one. It's a charging case. Okay, comes with a USB Type-C cable. Okay, this is the charger. Okay, and a few manuals. Okay, let's put the box on the side. Okay. I don't plan to use the charging cable because I'm going to use the wireless charger. Wow, just beautiful. Now let's look at the watch itself. Okay, let's turn it on. No, the upper button is to turn it on. Okay, so let's just peel off this. Wow, let's go to English. Okay, it's asking to scan. Okay, let me just get my Samsung S22. Download XIomi tracker. Okay, so it's a Mi Fitness app. Okay, install. You can see here it's written genuine leather. Okay, and here is a fitness tracking thing, so you can open this off. Oh my god. Okay, it's quite tough to open. That's it. Hey guys, so the watch is good to go. Okay, while the app is downloading, let us just have a good look. Okay, this is my Huawei watch. Okay, and this is the XIomi watch. Okay, you can see the size is almost the same. Only thing, I think at the strap there, you can see it's more beautiful here. Here it's an open thing. Okay, so it makes it look premium because of this. Okay, device, add device. Mine is the XIomi S1. Agree. Agree. Continue. Okay, now I'm paired with the watch. Okay, start. That's it, guys. So we have our XIomi watch pad. Okay, let's look at the watch itself. Okay, you pull it down. Here you see your notifications. pull up. Okay, you have torch. Okay, do not disturb settings. Okay, great. You have alarm and also water. This is to, after swimming, to clear the water. That's it. Swipe down. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so you have beautiful widgets here. Okay, this can be customized. Okay, outdoor running, I have battery percentage at 69. Okay, so the Xiaomi watch can go up to 12 days if you don't on the always on display. With the always on display, it goes up to 4 to 5 days. Okay, now this is the back button, or this is your apps button to see what's in the apps. Okay, you have a lot of apps here. Okay, go back to your watch. The down button is to see all your workouts. Okay, so Xiaomi watch can receive calls through Bluetooth. Okay, and also answer calls, but sadly we cannot reply to any notifications over here. Okay, so let's set the watch. Okay, so it shows press up button to open the list of apps. Okay, so there is this. Okay, so next press the swipe left to view widgets. Okay, customize. Okay, and we are done. Okay, so you can see app notification on, incoming calls on. Let's go to settings. Okay, so it's asking me to meet fitness and on it. Okay, meet fitness, allow. Go back, done. Okay, allow. App notification on, incoming calls on, done. Okay, now let's go all one by one. Okay, so your watch faces, app notifications on. So I'm going to allow messages. Of course, I'm looking for WhatsApp. Okay, we have WhatsApp, business. Okay, that's good. So usually I'll only on my messages and WhatsApp. Okay, let's look incoming calls. Your wearable device vibrates for incoming calls. Okay, good. Background permissions. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, heart rate. So notify when your heart rate goes above the set level during exercise. Okay, so I don't want my heart rate to go above 160, I guess. This is dangerous. Okay, while accessing. High heart rate. Notify when your heart rate goes above the set level. Okay, continuous monitoring for 30 minutes. So I'll get my heart rate for every 30 minutes. Okay, sleep tracker. Picture will affect battery life, but I want sleep tracker. Monitor your heart rate, track REM. Blood oxygen, I'll leave it off. Stress. Okay, this is something which I always leave it on, all day monitoring. Standing. Your wearable device alerts you are sedentary for 1 hour. Okay, this is from 8 AM till and 11 o'clock. Okay, mute ideal alert from 12 to 2 o'clock. Okay, let's see, do we have battery here? We have breathing exercise too. Okay, so you can change each one of these and customize your widgets. Okay, so you can see so far there's no data, plus I haven't used the watch yet. Okay, now after widgets, app layout, grid or list. So it's in grid, I prefer list. Okay, let's look at list. This is list. Okay, so list is better than grid. Okay, now next, race to week. Okay, race to week. It's scheduled. I think race to week should be all day. Sleep mode. Okay, I don't use sleep mode. Press down button for workout. Okay, I use treadmill. Okay. Race to week, sleep mode, emergency SOS. So you can create emergency call, help center, and update. Wow, guys, just look at that. Okay, hope you can see. Okay, you have our steps, time and date for all this on display. Okay, this is just beautiful. Okay, let's put it in the hand. Okay guys, so this watch feels really good in the hand. Okay, you see your bone here, you have to put it slightly higher. Okay, my final thoughts about this watch. Okay, it's really value for money because you have a ceramic glass here, good metals on here, comes with a good leather strap. Okay, it's RM699 in Malaysia. So, and the always on display is just simply beautiful, guys. So this is 100% a must buy watch. Okay, cheers, love you all. Please subscribe to see more videos of this watch. Thank you.